Hello everyone, this is John. You can call me JL. What I want to introduce today is the 20 ton per hour our water treatment system. We applied this equipment to a juice factory located in Angola, Africa. The customer purchased this RO equipment for their juice factory. The feeding water is the underground water and city tap water. The output water needs to mix the syrup to produce the juice that meets their requirement. According to the customer's requirement, we do the following analysis. The municipal tap water supply in the local is around 250 microsiemens cm. The customer requires the output water after the out system can be below 10 microsiemens cm. Therefore, we use a multimedia filter, activated carbon filter, dosing system, mineral stove, and reverse osmosis, together with an ozone generator to improve the output water quality. In the end, the customer is very satisfied with our machine's quality and is willing to establish a long-term cooperative relationship with us. Well, that's all for today. If you do enjoy it, please do remember to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn the notifications on. I will see you next time.